We've come to Sri Lanka. Alright, so guys, welcome to Seneru's
Tech&Terrain.
Huh?
Channel name is Tech&Terrain.
But this is not tech.
Yeah, it's about terrain.
Tech&Terrain.
Yeah.
Oh, nice. So welcome to Seneru's Tech&Terrain channel, and over here today we are going to be doing the Pekoe Trail stage 6. So you will journey with us as we go through it. So currently we've stopped for a break.
Okay, alright. This is Gavinu, and he would be joining with our journey today. And this is not going to be a product review anymore. I have already done 3 more videos about tech, but there are a lot of missing for terrain. So that's why we choose this one today. Now we are in Hatton region, and we are going to start heading to Watagoda to start the Pekoe Trail stage 6. And okay, let's meet at the starting point. Okay, we started the trail here.
Yeah, so now we're on the way. We've got some signs and marks to follow. So let's see as it goes.
We have started the trail here, the stage 6 one. We started from Watagoda railway station. That's the starting point, which is always the Watagoda town. And so this is moving through the Talawekare town, and it ends at the Kottagal town. And so here we can see this side. So you can see through these trees. This is the Great Western mountain range, which is kind of a border for the Hatton region. And stage 5 comes from Pundaloya, and it ends at Watagoda town, and after that stage 6 starts. And now it's around 1 PM. We got a little bit late to start the trail today. It says it takes only 4 to 5 hours to complete the trail, but let's see. Since these days are like, for the Hatton regions, it's raining in the evening. Plan is to end our goals before the rain starts. Okay, boys are AFK now. So we have come around 1 kilometer now. How's your experience?
Still warming up, getting ready for the tough part of the trail. Yeah.
Okay, so we have kind of missed the way, but I think we were supposed to come from this way, but we came from this way. T9. So you can see the view here. And however we reached the railway, we've sort of missed out our track right here. So you can see here. So we are currently right here, and but the trail goes here, right? So we have currently missed our track. We didn't find any arrows for a while, and now we are trying to get into the track. Okay, we have sort of missed our way, and we are trying to find the way again to the track. හරිද මෙහෙට නෙමෙයි හරියන පාර තියෙන්නේ. හා? ඔයෙන් ගමු එක. මෙහෙට. එහෙන් ගමු. ඔව්. මට පාර දෙන්නෙත් නෑ නේද? වතුර වලක් මේ එතන වතුර ගලාගෙන යනවා මේ. මෙහෙන් බලන්න. මෙතන මේ අර ගහ ගාව ගන්න. වතුර ගලාගෙන යන පාරේ ගියාම මේ යන්න පුළුවන්. කෙලින්ම ජම්ප් එකක්ම දාන්න ඉද්දන්නේ. Someone has gone through this, otherwise there is no way like this.
What's wrong?
Come in like you go. Oh.
යන්තම් පාරට පැන්න. අපි ගිහලා බලමුද අපි කොහෙන්ද පයින්ද ගියේ කියලා අර පැත්තේ. ප්‍රපාතේ බලමුද ගිහලා නිකන්. අර ලොකු වේවුන්නේ ඔය. නෑ තාත්තන මම ප්‍රපාතේ.
මේක තමයි අර සෝඩා බොටල් එක කිය.
So now we just climbed down from there, all the way from there. This is steep. We made our way all the way through the woods because we got lost, and now we finally found the Pekoe Trail, the signs again. So now we're back on track, but everyone took some bruises, some hits. So he's a bit scared. This is Pubudu. He's a bit scared.
Me?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
Yeah.
පොට්‍රේට් ගන්නවා මොකද ගන්න view එක?
පොට්‍රේට් එක ගන්න මෙහෙම. මේ පැත්තට දාලා මෙහෙම කරකලා ගන්න.
පොට්‍රේට් එක.
ඔව්. අපි මෙහෙට ඇවිත්.
Oh yeah. Fans are up and there it goes.
So basically what happened was we lost on the way. During one of the bends we lost the way and we went some other road, but finally after going through a deep steep and passing through huge grown tree forest, we were able to finalize the way, and now we are walking through that. And as you can see, we can simply see the way like this. I'm coming through this way, and my mates are still coming there. Okay, we are still at the stage 6 and we are about to meet the Talawakale town next. Down here we can see a curve. So in the map they have mentioned soda bottleneck or something like that. So if you can see the rail crossing, railway can be seen. So you can see the mobile network coverage is moderate here.
You have a new notification from OpsGenie. P2SG Mirror Workshop P2 error percentage. Hi.
In our left hand side we can see the Talawakale tea factory. After tremendous routes inside and through the tea plantation, so we are reaching the main road right now. I'm not sure whether what is this main road. Don't know why all those dogs are barking for us.
I don't know. I think they don't have
much peaceful than this area.
Oh. And here you can see the Upper Kotumale Reservoir. So we can see the Talawakale town ahead of us right now. And when we were starting from Watagoda, and we traveled through the cab to Watagoda from Talawakale, and we passed through this area. Now we have to walk through the railway line. See, since the railway is free from the train, so we can walk through the railway without any fear. And I have one question. So here this railway, this left side there's only one line. Here it has two lines and it ends from here, and all the way from here it's only one line. So anyone knows why that happens? If anyone knows that the reason for that, please comment out here for more information. Okay, we are reaching the Talawakale railway station right now, and this is kind of a rest point that you can confirm that you're going through the right way. Let's see what we'll do here. And around that station you can see the town. It's not a large town, but kind of compared to large town in this area. So this is the path we came. Station is all less with people due to the ongoing issues with the train transportation in this upcountry area. I don't know when will it get resolved again, but it's sort of empty, so we can actually experience that emptiness here. Now we are passing the way. You can see in my back that's Talawakale railway station. How's this feedback?
It's very nice.
Out of 10?
10 out of 10.
T plus view. Okay, from right hand side we can see the Upper Kotumale Dam. Here we can see the Upper Kotumale Dam. Nuclear Falls. We made this while doing this stage 6. From Talawakale town we are gonna end our trail for today. We will hope to continue with next part tomorrow.